how to fix your Instagram highlight not working. So there is only one reason that I know that might cause this problem, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. First of all, open your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, open your settings. So the only reason that your Facebook or your Instagram highlight is not working is because your stories are not archiving. So you've turned off, or your settings has turned off your story archive. So if your stories are not archived, then you will not be able to add them to your highlights afterwards. So you have to make sure you enable your story archives. To do that, just open your settings and then scroll down until you navigate to archiving and downloading. So you can find this under your app and media. So just tap on it, and as you can see, save story to archive is toggled off right now. I'm just going to turn it on, and you can adjust your settings to save it to camera roll and save it to gallery as well. That's according to your preferences, but the main reason is that your story archives is turned off. Once you turn it on, your stories will be archived and you'll be able to add them to your story highlights. And that's how you can fix highlights not working on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.